I love this dog.
This is a support dog for today. Pat's been helping out.
Hello, my name is Flore de Hoog and I'm a Glasgow-based artist. Today I'll be working on a project in Dystopia, a brand new music recording studio and creative hub in Glasgow.
Dystopia is a very exciting space for me as I'm a musician as well as an artist. I guess the design I'll do, I wanted to be playful, I wanted to have a lot of movement in it. I came up with a design of two playing dogs, so there's one that jumps overhead and there's one that's underneath. And yeah, I just like it to be a feature wall that sticks out. For this project we chose green 05. It's my absolute favorite color. I love green. In my house all my walls are green, and the olive green it's rich and it's earthy, and it's got just really nice earthy undertones, so this is why I went for green 05. This is quite sexy, look at that sexy dripping. It's exciting because it will transform the entire space. It's not just this wall, but it's going to make the whole space look so different, and it's just exciting to see the first step. What I'm doing now is trying to look for the right pen. I'm trying to familiarize myself with the pattern, because I know it usually takes me a few goes to become familiar with what I'm doing and how to start. I usually come up with a pattern of how I draw these. Literally, like, I start at the same point and I do the same thing, and that takes a wee bit to establish. So this is just me getting familiar with the lines and the movement and how I want things to look. I quite like the directness of actually drawing something straight on. I really like the actual physical act of it. But the first few, I always need to get into it, have a bit of a practice. I've always got the fear with creativity that perhaps it was all just luck. But then once you start, it just happens automatically and it takes over, and it turns out you do know what you're doing. It's a crucial moment, yeah. I'm trying to start somewhere that's not too awkward to start, but it's also not too obvious, so that if I start off a little bit shaky, that it's not too noticeable. So I think I'm gonna head up here. And then we all hope for the best.
Yeah, I've always liked Flore's work, and I really like her style, and the geometric figures in her paintings, they were really good. So it's a creative environment where we work every day with different musicians or different artists, and it's a very exciting place.
The end is definitely in sight now. I'm getting really excited to see the end result. Hold on, yeah, we're absolutely getting there. Right, so what do you think?
I think it's great, looks very good, and it makes the studio look better.
You love dogs, right, Luigi?
I love dogs, yeah.
Yeah, so do I.
Dogs, yeah.
We all love dogs.
I love this dog.
This is a support dog for today. Pat's been helping out. He's having a great time.
Yes.
He doesn't look like it, but he's having a great time. It's slightly intimidating, yeah. I know that this place gets used by a lot of creative people who will definitely have opinions on it, but that's also part of the excitement, is that it's people who care about this kind of stuff. It's a bustling space, like a lot of people coming in and out, using it, and that's exactly how I like it.